I gotta mow this son of a gun too. One side's out. See what the laundromat looks like, dirty. Not like you've seen that before. Let's go sweep it up. So you want to have an unattended laundromat, huh? See, this is why I have that 6-inch lip. See how all this crap gets stuck under these dryers? I hate that. Horrible design idea. You put dryers in, put a 6-inch pad in. The bill validator is having problems. God, look at this. 2 garbage cans are empty. One looks like it's given birth. I shut the doors because it lets cold air in a little bit. Not bad, but just a little bit. See, Willie didn't tell me we ran out of garbage bags. I gotta get a box of garbage bags. Bags are the wrong size, so this is not gonna work. Now in this laundromat we had a broken window too, and it's all covered up right now, but basically it's this part of the window right here, and it came from the outside. Somebody from the outside hit it. So we really don't have a good video of it, so we're not sure what happened. We're tending to think that it wasn't a break-in because the door was left open that night, so there really was no point to break in. The door was wide open. I'm going to go through and change this out real quick. Now, some of these machines I just... that one's stuck. I just changed them out a couple days ago, so they shouldn't have much in them, but they do. Look at that. Looked like a pillow died there. Load the machine up. Pretty well empty. Pretty well empty. I got a bunch of $2 washers in this laundromat tomorrow, or this weekend or Friday. I need to fix. That's my popular machine, and I let a few more go than normal, so I got to get them all back up and running. Front door I got to fix again. I got all these running, these 5, but I got three on the other side of this island I gotta fix for sure. And behind here, the drain line is solid PVC and it's all jacked up. When they installed the equipment, they did a bad job. And my equipment dealer's a great guy, but their forte is not plumbing. So I can't really fault them for being bad plumbers. That's just not what they do. And they even told me that too. Now my machine's getting a little low again. People are taking quarters, which is weird. because I just had my problem fixed and now it's happening again. That's because people are putting 20s on this side. Once I get people used to this, I won't have to load it every so often, but basically I'm loading that hopper for the 5s when it's changing out their 20. It must be full. It's got 18 in there. I'm gonna have to see what it's set at. Now, sometimes I like to test my change machines, make sure they're working. That blue light says it's working, but I'm not gonna take that for granted. It's working.